Samsung is expected to introduce two foldables, giving buyers a choice between a more premium Ultra version and a wider standard model. The first device is expected to be the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, which will take over from last year's Galaxy Z Fold 7, while the second is said to be the Galaxy Z Fold 8, a version with a wider foldable display and one fewer rear camera. Interestingly, when the first leaks started appearing, many reports suggested that Samsung's top-tier foldable would simply be called the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Over the past few weeks, however, information has pointed towards Samsung reserving the Ultra branding for its most capable foldable, and now we finally have evidence that supports that claim. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra has officially appeared in the Bluetooth SIG database, and while certifications don't usually reveal much beyond confirming a device's existence, this one is important because it finally locks in the Ultra name. The listing also shows 5 different variants of the phone, which is usually a sign that Samsung is preparing for a global launch. As expected, the certification doesn't tell us anything about the hardware, but not to worry because Ice Universe has given us a few more details about the other model. As per Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the wider model, would arrive with a 4800 mAh battery, 400 more than the Galaxy Z Fold 7's. Charging is also expected to get a major upgrade with support for 45-watt wired charging instead of the 25-watt speed Samsung offered on the previous generation. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to feature a 5.4-inch cover display alongside a 7.6-inch crease-free foldable display, with both panels using Samsung's dynamic AMOLED 2X technology, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support. The phone is expected to include stereo speakers and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. On the front, the phone is expected to feature a 10-megapixel selfie camera, and the internal display is also expected to house a 10-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear, it uses a 50-megapixel plus 50-megapixel dual camera setup capable of recording 4K video at 60 FPS and 8K video at 30 FPS. The phone is expected to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor, 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB as base storage, so we'll see exactly how it holds up when the phone finally launches in August. But until then, I'll be keeping an eye on all the latest leaks and reports, so if you want to stay up to date with everything Samsung has planned for its next generation of foldables, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one.